You've trusted it on the coldest nights, wrapped yourself in it while the winds howled outside your tent. But what if I told you that washing your sleeping bag the wrong way could destroy its warmth forever? Yes, one mistake and that cozy cocoon might never feel the same again. Before we dive into this warm and fuzzy mystery, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep, because we're here to protect the little things that make our lives more comfortable. And don't forget to click this link to get your 100% free Top 10 Cleaning Products list, an emergency speed cleaning checklist, https://www.school.com.kelly's Clubhouse. Bonus: you'll also get access to our free community. We spend hours researching the right sleeping bag, down versus synthetic, mummy versus rectangular, temperature ratings, weight, packability. But after the adventure ends, we throw it in the closet, dirty, crumpled, and forgotten, until the next trip comes around. But that dirt, that sweat, those oils, even the invisible moisture trapped in the insulation, they're all silently degrading your sleeping bag every single day. You see, cleaning your sleeping bag isn't just about hygiene. It's about preserving warmth, extending lifespan, and honoring the comfort that carried you through rough terrain and freezing nights. Here's what most people don't realize. Your sleeping bag isn't just a blanket. It's a carefully engineered insulation system. Whether it's filled with delicate down feathers or synthetic fibers, its power lies in its loft, that soft, puffy structure that traps heat. The moment you wash it like a regular blanket, with hot water, harsh detergent, or a rough spin cycle, that loft collapses, the bag clumps, the insulation breaks down, and the next time you're out in the wild, you feel cold and confused. You wonder, wasn't this supposed to keep me warm? What happened was invisible damage, caused in your own laundry room. Step by step, how to wash it the right way. So now let's talk solutions. The correct way to wash your sleeping bag is simple, but it demands respect and patience. First, check the label. Is it down or synthetic? Because that decides everything. For down bags, use a front-loading washing machine, never a top-loader with an agitator. It can tear the fabric. Use cold water and a special down-safe detergent. Regular detergents strip away the natural oils and feathers. For synthetic bags, cold water and a gentle detergent will do just fine. But again, gentle cycle only. Zip up all zippers. Turn the bag inside out. And never add fabric softener. It coats the insulation and reduces its effectiveness. The secret is in the drying. Now here's where most people mess up. Drying. Don't air dry your sleeping bag. I know it sounds safe, but it leaves moisture deep inside the insulation, especially in down bags. That creates clumps and even mold. Instead, tumble dry on low heat. Yes, it takes hours, but that's the price for keeping your bag alive. Add clean tennis balls or dryer balls to the dryer. These help break up clumps and restore that fluffy loft. You'll see your bag slowly puffing back to life. It's like breathing warmth into a sleeping dragon. Magical, isn't it? But what if there's a tear or a stain? Let's say your sleeping bag got stained by campfire soot, or worse, a tear from a stray twig. Don't panic. Spot clean first before the full wash. Use a soft brush with mild soap on the affected area. For tears, use a repair patch made specifically for outdoor gear. They stick, flex, and won't peel during washing. You don't need to toss a bag just because of one rip. In fact, learning to repair instead of replace is part of the adventure mindset, one where resilience always beats perfection. Storing it the wrong way can also kill it. Now that your sleeping bag is clean, warm, and fluffy again, you might think you're done. But this final step is critical: storage. Most people keep their bags stuffed tight in a compression sack. That's a death sentence. Why? Because long-term compression destroys the loft. Always store your bag in a loose mesh or cotton storage sack, or hang it in a dry closet. Let it breathe. It needs space to keep its warmth. Think of it like a living thing. It rests between adventures. More than just fabric, it holds memories. If you've ever camped under a sky full of stars or woken up in a misty valley inside your sleeping bag, you know, this is no ordinary item. It's held your body through fear, excitement, exhaustion, and peace. It's been your shield, your warmth, your comfort. Washing it the wrong way feels like disrespecting those moments. But taking care of it? It's like saying thank you. Your sleeping bag may not speak, but it holds stories of mountain peaks, forest trails, unexpected rain, and quiet morning coffee near a river. And when you care for it, clean it the right way, dry it with patience, and store it with love, you're not just preserving gear, you're preserving the ability to dream under open skies. So the next time someone says, "It's just a sleeping bag," you'll know better. And if this helped you rethink how you care for the little things that matter, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Don't forget to click this link to get your 100% free Top 10 Cleaning Products list, an emergency speed cleaning checklist, https://www.school.com, Kelly's Clubhouse. Bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because here we share not just how-tos, but the hidden emotions behind everyday things.